Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. And if you are new here, kindly join the amazing family by subscribing. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my super quick and yet so delicious egg fried rice recipe with you. The perfect party fried rice that you need to have in your repertoire. Let's quickly go over the ingredients and get right into it. I have here 6 jumbo eggs, some scallions or spring onions, and I've separated the green bits from the white parts. I also have here some white and black pepper, my homemade all-purpose marinade, and 1 sliced onion. And as always, I will list them all in the description box below. Season the eggs with a little bit of salt and beat them until they are light and fluffy. In my wok, I'm going to heat up about 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And when my oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add my sliced onion and fry for about a minute or 2 or until they are soft and tender. Next, you want to add your homemade all-purpose marinade, and if you don't have that, I will leave the link down below so you can check that out. Or you simply blend some garlic, ginger, onion with a little bit of pepper and add about a teaspoon or 2. When that is nicely fried with the onion, we are going to add our eggs on low-medium heat and allow the eggs to cook slowly. When the eggs begin to set at the bottom, you give it a scrape and wait till it sets again and give it another scrape. And you are going to repeat this until the eggs are fully cooked. Make sure not to scramble too vigorously or your eggs are going to be too broken down and disappear in your fried rice. We want chunks of eggs in our fried rice. So allow the eggs to set before you scrape it each and every time. And this will ensure that we have chunks of fluffy eggs in our fried rice. As soon as the eggs are cooked, you are going to make a well at the center and add your cooked rice, which I have allowed to cool completely. And I'm using jasmine rice, but basmati rice will do as well. Add a tablespoon of soy sauce and a few drops of Worcestershire sauce. I'm adding just a tablespoon of soy sauce because I don't want my rice to be dark. I want it to be white so that the eggs can stand out. Stir fry this until the rice is loosened. I'm going to add the rice in 2 batches so that I'll be able to stir fry it very well. As soon as the first one is nicely incorporated, I add the second batch of my rice and continue to stir fry. At this stage, I'm going to add a splash of plain vinegar and my white and black pepper. And I'm also going to add the white parts of my spring onions and continue to stir fry. I didn't add the green parts at this stage because I don't want to break them apart. Continue to stir fry on high heat until the rice is loosened and well toasted, and then add the green parts of your spring onion and gently stir fry that as well. To finish off our rice, we are going to add a few drops of some sesame oil, and that will give it the final touch that this rice needs. At this stage, you would also want to taste and adjust your seasoning if necessary. And our simple and yet so delicious, crowd-pleasing fried rice is ready to be served. This fried rice you can make ahead and it will not go bad. Many times I hear people say that when they cook fried rice, it goes bad really quick. That happens if you use vegetables that have a lot of moisture in them, like peas and bell peppers. So if you are not going to be eating the fried rice right away, I wouldn't recommend you using vegetables that have a lot of moisture. This is perfect for parties because you can make it ahead and it will still be good when you need it. All you need to do is to toast it in a dry frying pan or wok and you are good to go. I hope that you are inspired by this video to try this egg fried rice recipe for yourself, and I know you are going to love it. So guys, remember that cooking should always be fun and exciting. So try to cook each meal with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.